Hello grade 1s, how are you going? Welcome to your spelling lesson. So this video is for the grade 1 spelling sound and spelling words. Grade 2s, your words are in a separate video. Okay, so let's start with our learning intention. It's the same one every week in spelling. I can use known sounds to spell unknown words, and our spelling sound this week, guys, is when the letter K makes a K sound. So everybody say that sound now. K, 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 K. Good job, guys. We're going to go through our list words. Sorry, I'm just getting comfy. Okay, that's better. So our words are kid, skin, pork, kiss, look, and like. And just like we did last week, the way we go through them is using our SMART spelling sequence, where we have say the word, discuss the meaning, analyze the word, remember the word, and teach the word. Okay. Let's get started. In class, we normally go through this really quickly. It doesn't usually take more than 5 minutes. It's pretty fast paced, so we'll try and do the same thing here. Okay, so let's say this word together. The word is kid. What word? Good job, guys. When I point to you, that means it's your turn to respond. Okay, so the word is kid. Does everybody know what the word kid means? I reckon you do, because you're all kids, so that's an easy one for us. Let's analyse the word. So we do our syllables, so karate hands up, and we say the word and do a chop for each part of the word. So kid, 1 syllable. To count the sounds in a word, we put our fist nice and high in the air, and we hold up a finger for each sound in the word. K, I, D. How many sounds? 3. Spot on. Now it's time for the kids to remember the word. So I say it and they repeat it back. So first of all, I do the sounds. K, I, D, kid. Your turn. Good job, guys. Then I do the letter names. K, I, D, kid. Your turn. Awesome. Okay, now it's time for the teach section, and that's where it's the kids' turn to teach someone else. So grown-ups, the kids will first of all say the sounds, you repeat it back to them. Then they'll say the letter names, and you repeat that back to them. It might be helpful, mums and dads, if you have these words written on a piece of paper so that your child can have a look at them while we're doing this. So pause the video while you do the teach section and come back to me for the next word. All right, next word is skin. Can everyone say skin? We all know what skin is, don't we? It's all over us. Okay, let's analyse the word. So we count the syllables. Skin. How many syllables? Just 1. Let's do the sounds. Ready? Fist in the air. Sk, I, n. How many sounds? 4. Well done, boys and girls. Time to remember the word, so repeat after me. Sk, I, n, skin. Your turn. Perfect. And now say the letter names. S-K-I-N, skin. Your turn. Good job. Now teach it to your grown-up and then come back for the next word. The next word is pork. Does everybody know what that means? Pork is the meat that we get from a pig. So for those of us who are meat eaters, pork is things like bacon or ham, but it's the meat that we get from a pig. Okay, so say the word, say pork. We know the meaning. Let's analyse the word. So karate hands up, we're counting syllables. Pork, 1 syllable. Good job, guys. Now we do the sounds. P or K. And we've actually got a digraph in here today. And just to remind mums and dads, because I'm sure all the kids remember, at least I hope they can, a digraph is where we have 2 letters but only 1 sound. So when we have the letters O and R together, like in the word pork, they're only making 1 sound. So we call that a digraph. If we say our sounds p or k, it's just one sound there in the middle. Okay, now it's time for me to do the letter names. And when we have a digraph and I say the letter names, we say the digraph in a sing-song voice or a high-pitched voice. And that's just to make it really stand out for the students. So watch how I do it, then repeat it back. P-O-R-K, pork. Have a go at doing it. Good job, guys. Okay, now try and teach it to your mum and dad. Do the sounds, then the letter names. Don't forget our digraph. Next word. Next word is kiss. A big smoochy kiss like your grandma might give you. Can everybody say kiss? Good job, guys. I know Darcy in grade 2 loves Kiss. They're one of his favourite bands. All right, let's analyse the words. So, karate hands up. Kiss. How many syllables? Just one. Let's do the sounds in the word kiss. Ready? K-I-S. How many sounds? 3. But look, 4 letters. K-I-S. Only 3 sounds. That's because we have another digraph. 2 S's together. So 2 letters, but we only make one S sound. Okay, let's try and remember the word. So repeat after me. K-I-S. Kiss. Your turn. Good job. And now I'm going to say the letter names. Because we have that digraph, I'm going to say that those 2 letters in a sing-song voice to highlight that they are a digraph. So K-I-S-S, kiss. Your turn, guys. Good job. All right, have a go at teaching the word kiss to your mum and dad. Do the sounds and then the letter names. Pause the video, then come back for the next word. All right, boys and girls, the next word is look. Can you all say look? We all know what look means. Sometimes we have to look for something with our eyes. So let's analyse the word. We're going to count syllables first with our karate hands. Look. How many syllables? Just one. Let's do the sounds. Ready? Fist in the air. L-U-K. How many sounds? L-U-K. 3. And that's because we have another digraph. Our third one for today. Wow. It's a good chance for us to practice them. So the 2 O's, even though we have 2 letters, when the 2 O's are together, they only make one sound. And that's important when we're reading because I wouldn't read this word as l-u-uk, l-u-uk. That's silly. That's not a word, is it? I need to know that the 2 O's together only make one sound. L-u-k. Okay, let's try and remember the word. So you repeat after me, kids. L-u-k, look. Your turn. Good job. And now let's do the letter names, remembering that our digraph will be in our sing-song voice. L-O-O-K, look. Your turn. Perfect. Have a go at teaching it to your parents and we'll get ready for the last word. Okay, our last word is like. Have a go at saying that word, like. Try and put it in a sentence for your mum and dad to show them that you know what the meaning is. See if you can say the word like in a sentence. Good job, guys. All right, let's analyse the word. So I need karate hands up and like. How many syllables? Just one. Let's count the sounds. Ready? Fist in the air. L-I-K. How many sounds? Just 3, even though we have 4 letters. And that's because when the K and the E are together in this word, they're making a digraph. We don't make the E sound. The E is only there to tell us that this is an I sound. That's something we'll cover later, boys and girls, so don't worry too much about it now. Okay, let's try and remember the word. Repeat after me. L-I-K, like. Your turn. Good job. Now say the letter names. L-I-K-E, like. Fantastic. All you need to do now, boys and girls, is teach the word to your grown-ups. Once you've done that, have a look at the sheet that I've put up with this video. I want you to write out these 6 words, and from the middle and the last section, I want you to pick 3 extra words. Make sure you have a go at reading the words before you write them out. We don't want to just be copying, we want to be practicing our reading. So at the end of today, you should have these 6 words plus another 3 written out in your spelling book, okay? And we'll work with them all week. All right, guys. Thank you.